'Cause I just wanna speak the name of Jesus, and over every heart and every mind. 'Cause I know there is peace within your presence. I speak Jesus, 'cause your name is power, your name is healing, your name is life. Here's another cool chord right there. If you play a lot of CCM, contemporary Christian music, you're not only limited to playing everything with triads. A lot of people play their CCM just using triads because they say, it's not gospel, so how do I fit these nice, luscious, fat gospel chords in CCM? It doesn't sound good when I do it. So in this video, I'm going to show you, using a popular CCM song, how you can incorporate these chords without going crazy, right? So that's what we're going to talk about today. Welcome back to the channel, folks. If you're new here, my name is Warren McPherson. This is a channel where you learn how to play gospel piano, contemporary Christian piano by ear, and to do so in style, right? To make it nice, to make it flashy, and to personalize it so you're not just playing it the same way it was done in the recording. We're going to jump right into it. Today I'm going to do a demonstration using the Charity Gale song, I Speak Jesus. Beautiful song. They did an amazing job with that. But when I play it, I like to personalize it and add some stuff in there. I'm going to show you how to add diatonic extension. Now this song is in the key of E major. And for those who are not familiar with the number system, let's quickly go through that real quick. E major is the 1, F sharp minor is the 2, G sharp minor is the 3, A major is the 4, B major the 5, C sharp minor is the 6, and D sharp diminished is the 7. So it's just good to keep that in mind as we're going through this tutorial so you understand when I'm calling out numbers. Now, this song starts with a simple 1, 6, 4, 1 progression. That's it. So if we take that verse, I just want to speak the name of Jesus. The 1 to the 6. Over every heart and every mind. To the 4. 'Cause I know there is peace within your presence. Back to the 1. I speak Jesus. Right? So that's essentially the verse. They repeat the verse, but it's the same chord progression. 1, 6, 4, 1. So if that's how you've been playing it all along, that's fine. But you can start changing it. First chord we're going to change, we're going to make it add 9. Now, instead of staying on that 1 chord for the entire time, I like to sometimes outline that melody. So I would go, I just want to speak the name of Jesus. See that right there? Because what I'm doing is outlining that melody. I just want to speak the name of G. Because she comes down to that A with the melody, I just harmonize it. And it sounds good against the recording, right? I just want to speak the name of Jesus, right? When you go to the 6, we're doing a minor 11, and this is a diatonic chord. Notice we're still in the key of E. Also look at my voicing. Root, 5th, 7 in the left, 3rd, the 11, and then double up the 3rd here. Now sometimes you can come up here, the 5th, double up the 5th. You can come up here and double up the root as well. Sometimes I play a cluster by adding in that 9. So I just want to speak the name of Jesus over every heart and every mind. Ooh, you see that movement right there to take you to the 4? You don't need to just go straight to the 4, right? So I'm doing a cool walk down, dropping to this 4 major 9 chord. How do I do that? So from here, a little turn in the right hand, then, so it's really like a G sharp minor in first inversion. Then I come down here and play an E add 9 in first inversion. So you see these voicing? So you can practice these chord voicing right here. Again, just an octave in the left, B octave. In my right hand, I got my D sharp and my G sharp. So again, this is a G sharp minor in first inversion. Then to my 1 in first inversion, add 9. But again, the voicing is why these sound so cool. So I just want to speak the name of Jesus over every heart and every mind. Da da dee da dee da 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 da. I speak Jesus. Now I'm also putting in a little cooler chords. So when we get to that 4 major 7, right? After you do da da da, right? Now I then go back to this 2 minor 11, then up to this 5 over 4 or 4 over 5. They didn't do this in the original. I did it because the original is just over every heart and every mind, and they go straight to the 4. Cause I know there is peace within your presence. I speak Jesus. Back to the 1. What I did from that 6, over every heart and every mind. I'm reading my lyrics. Cause I know there is peace within your presence. I speak Jesus. So instead of staying on the 4, I just walk it down to that 2 minor 11. And just gives it some additional movements. So you see how we're starting to use these chords that seemingly sounds like gospel chords in CCM, and it sounds nice. Let's do it one more time in context. Cause I just want to speak the name of Jesus, and over every heart and every mind. Cause I know there is peace within your presence. I speak Jesus. Cause your name is power. Your name is healing. Your name is life. Here's another cool chord right there. Because we're going to the 5. So instead of just doing from the 1 to the 5, we slip this in there. But what I'm doing is voicing it to that melody. Break every stronghold. Shine through the dark. Burn like the fire. So we're using this dominant 13th as a passing chord. We call this the secondary dominant passing. We'll go to that dominant major 2. And I'm voicing it as a chordal voicing, right? To the 5. Hear that chord again. That 1 in first inversion. Then to that 2. Minor 11. Burn like the fire. Let's do that chorus again. So first, cause your name is power. 5. Your name is healing. Your name is fire. Right? Is life. Then right here, I do it on the second time. Break through the stronghold, shine through the shadows, then burn like the fire. Go back to that verse. Then to that 6. Da da dee da 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 da. Then that movement. Dee 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 dee. I speak Jesus. Run that verse again. And I just want to speak the name of Jesus till every dark addiction starts to break. And da 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 da. I speak Jesus. Now to the chorus. Right? Burn like the flame. Now here's another thing I can show you. You know, we've been doing that walk down going to the 2. What are we doing? Such a cool movement. 4 major 9, 1 in second inversion, 2 minor 11. So instead of this 1 in first inversion, you can substitute it with a 6. This is what it sounds like in context. I just want to speak the name of Jesus over every heart and every mind. Da 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 dee, da 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 da. Right there, see? Da 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 da. So all I'm doing is, instead of doing that 3 or that 1 in first inversion, I'm going. You can do all of these clusters. You can do an open sort of minor 11, or you can do it as a cluster if you like that dissonance, and then that takes you to your 2. So the voicing is what makes these cool. So even when you go to the chorus, break every stronghold, not to the dark. So you see that E on the top while the chords are shifting. Da, 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 da. And there's so many more things you can do with it, but I'm not going to go down that rabbit hole. I just wanted to keep things diatonic for you. I haven't left the key once. Every chord I played belonging to the key of E major. Let's do it one more time through, and then you can go and practice these chords, because these chords and these voicing I'm showing you, you're going to be able to apply it to multiple types of songs, right? I just want to speak the name of Jesus over every heart and every mind, 'cause I know there is peace within your presence. I speak Jesus, and I just want to speak the name of Jesus till every dark addiction starts to break. Hey, da, 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 da. every stronghold, shine through the dark, burn like the fire. All right, do you see how we get there? And those are just some interesting chords, staying diatonic, that you can use to take you through a song without losing the singer. Because these chords I'm showing you, you can do it whether or not you rehearse with the band. It doesn't change what the vocalists are doing. It just creates some additional cool harmony. Now, like I said, the rabbit hole goes deep. There's a lot more I can do with it. You know, I can do, just want to speak the name of Jesus over every heart and every mind. Da na 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 na. I speak Jesus. I just want to speak the name of Jesus. That kind of stuff now, you would have to use sparingly. I'd probably play that way if I'm doing solo piano, not in the context of a band. And I'm going to show you more of that stuff in other tutorials where you want to take it out and you kind of want to rehearse it with your band so everybody's on the same place. Then you can start going outside the key. But as you can see, there's so much you can do with a lot of these contemporary Christian songs that are well written, but there's always room to personalize. And that's where I come in. I love that stuff. If you want more of this personalization of how you can improve this basic chord progression, I'm gonna link to a video here. And if you want to take your playing beyond the scope of YouTube, more detailed stuff, a lot more song tutorials, I would recommend you check out pianolessonwithwarren.com. That's my private membership program where I've helped thousands of people to achieve their goals. So right there you see the URL, pianolessonwithwarren.com. We run a 7-day free trial so you can get full access to the whole program. Click around, take some of the courses, download some of the materials, see if it's something that can help you achieve your goal in widening your repertoire, your theory, your ear training in a structured way. Love to have you over there. And again, be sure to hit the subscribe button on the notification bell. I post videos virtually every day and they're always helpful. So stay connected with that subscribe button so you can be notified when I post new content. All right, until then, have a blessed week and we'll talk soon.